Welcome back to Auto Vibe, the channel where we explore the latest innovations on wheels. Today we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2026 Dacia Motorhome, a model that blends practicality, comfort, and modern design into a package built for adventure. If you've been curious about how Dacia is stepping into the future of mobile living, you're in for a treat. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome makes a strong impression from the very first glance. Finished in a clean, glossy white, the body is both sleek and functional, designed to maximize aerodynamics without losing that rugged camper profile. The front fascia carries a bold grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the van a confident stance. Subtle chrome details and carefully sculpted lines run along the sides, ensuring that this motorhome doesn't just feel like a utility vehicle. It looks refined, modern, and ready for the road. From the side, you'll notice the sliding window design, which can be opened partially to let fresh air flow through. It's a small touch, but it adds a sense of connection between the interior and the world outside. Roof rails, skylights, and an extended camper roof show that every inch of this model has been optimized for both style and function. Step inside, and this is where the Dacia Motorhome truly shines. The interior has been finished in a light golden theme, which pairs beautifully with the white exterior. It's warm, elegant, and instantly feels more like a boutique apartment than a vehicle. The living area welcomes you with a compact but comfortable sofa and a foldable dining table. Everything is finished with premium upholstery and wood grain accents, striking a balance between coziness and sophistication. LED ambient lighting lines the ceiling, creating a soft glow that makes evenings inside feel calm and inviting. Moving further back, you'll find a modern kitchenette. It features a stainless steel sink, a compact induction stove, and a built-in refrigerator. Storage has been smartly integrated into overhead cabinets, ensuring that every inch of space is put to good use. The bedroom is equally impressive. Our foldable bed with golden beige upholstery sits against an upholstered headboard, with overhead storage and reading lamps that make it both functional and luxurious. And yes, there's a bathroom too. Compact but designed with high-quality fittings, including a shower, a porcelain sink, and clever use of space to keep it feeling open and bright. Of course, it wouldn't be a Dacia without practicality. Built on a reliable platform, the 2026 Motorhome is designed for long journeys, weekend getaways, or even extended road trips. With efficient engine options, smooth handling, and durable construction, it promises to make life on the road as seamless as possible. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome isn't just a camper van. It's a statement of how modern travel can feel both practical and premium. Whether you're exploring countryside roads, heading to the coast, or just enjoying a weekend away, this motorhome is built to keep up with your lifestyle. That wraps up today's feature here on Auto Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Dacia's latest creation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming reviews. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.